Yes, ma'am. I need a venti iced blonde vanilla latte with an extra shot and sweet cream foam. Welcome to the vlog.
What are we gonna do today?
We're going to a water park.
We're gonna float.
We're gonna float. But not like how I do with my best friend. This will be more G-rated.
We're not gonna be drinking.
What did I do wrong here?
Oh, we might be drinking. What did I do wrong?
Be drinking.
She'd be drinking some Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola.
That's not right. I don't know what I did wrong.
I think it's this. Maybe not.
I told him it was my peace offering. Pick me up.
Turn the car park for your destination.
Okay, thank you. This is the car park for our destination.
Is this the water park?
It is the water park. Oh my lord, a snapping turtle.
This is where we park.
Where are you gonna go, Jern Jern? Are you having a good time? Look at me. Are you having a good time? Got you a hot dog. Mine looks a little bit, I don't know, questionable. Is it? I said it looks a little questionable. We are going to find something for dinner. Hopefully something quick, easy, and not hot. Oh no, we got a mannequin left on the cart.
Can't put the cart in without you getting out.
What should we do? I guess we just leave the mannequin and let's go. Let's go.
Bye, mannequin.
Bye, mannequin. Come on, silly goose. Somebody got some sun. What's going on up in here? Fajitas. What?
Chips and salsa.
I'm hungry. Should we wait for him or should we eat?
We can wait for him.
Nah.
I love Wooly. Where's my son? I want my son. I want my son. Son, do they eat my wolf?
Hey guys. So, Danny went to bed. It's 10 o'clock. She went to bed probably about 10-15 minutes ago. The girls are still awake upstairs, but she brought me some ribbon. I needed more hot pink and then yellow, because I don't have any like yellow, just I have maize but not yellow. And I had like 2 orders for rainbow ribbon trims the last couple weeks, within the past 2 weeks. So yeah, and then she brought me some more blue, which is pastel, which I use a lot of pastels because I make a lot of pastel tutus, but it's so funny. So Danny gave the girls money to go to Claire's yesterday when we were at the mall, and so Journey bought press-on nails. She's obsessed with like little press-on fingernails. Every time we go to the Dollar Tree, unfortunately our Dollar Tree doesn't have them anymore, but they were like the little princess nails. So if, I'm just putting this out there, if anybody comes across some, if you would like pick me up a couple, like, it doesn't, they used to have like Barbie, and then they had like Frozen. They're like the little girl fingernails. If you come across them, and if you pick me up like one of each, or you know, 2 or whatever, I will PayPal you the money for them and for shipping them to me. Because I've been to 4 Dollar Trees and they no longer have them. I don't know if they're just gonna stop carrying them, whatever, but I would like to, you know, like have a couple to put away, like for her like Christmas stocking, or for like birthday or something, or just as a surprise, because you know, now she's wanting to buy like ones from like Walmart, or which they are all too big. Even the one she bought at Claire's, her fingers, she has really tiny hands and fingers, fingernails, like seriously, like I have to like have my glasses with my little, because I have what are they, bifocals in these. I have to have them in order to even look at her fingernails because they're so small. Anyway, so she bought some nails at Claire's, so she got nails, but they wouldn't stick. So when we were at Joann's, we got these ones because they are super tiny. They are like micro dots, but they worked good. So now we have extra in case we need them. But those glue dots were like $4 or $5.49 or something, and her nails that she ended up getting was like $4. I'm like, man, your glue dots cost more than your nails. Off my trash. Where did I move my trash? Did I leave it upstairs? I don't even see it down here. Anyway, I gotta find my trash. But I figured, so I had somebody do a rush order, and so it was like it's not even 10 o'clock yet. It was like, I'll either go edit the blog, or I'll go try to get these 2 rush orders done. So I'm like, I started editing, and then I'm like, I might as well. Anyway, at Joann's yesterday, the only things I bought were these, which is this fabric, and then this. I'm kind of tight on money because I'm not getting any orders. I don't know what I'm going to do. It's just day after day, and I'm like, something's got to give. Something has got to give. So anyway, yeah, so the fabric I bought, I got 1 yard for $6.99. And then I got, okay. How is this so? Please tell me. Is this my receipt? No, let's clear. Start it. Wish I had my receipt. Because okay, so there was two, okay. There was two, dang. Okay, there was 2 yards, right? And so I've got, they gave me 1 yard at regular, it was on sale for $6.99. And then the last yard on sale for $6.99 was 75% off the end of the bolt. So the end of the bolt, I got that last yard for $1.75. I'll take it, but I'm like, I don't know how I did that. This was the same Joann's that, so you never forget, like, when people do you dirty, right? There was a couple times I bought the end of the bolt up there, and there was this lady, right? And I bought the end of the bolt, and I was like, do I not get the end of the bolt price? And she's like, I'm not gonna, because I bought like 2 or 3, I don't even remember, 2 or 3 end of the bolts. Like, I'm like, just give me all of it, just give me all of it, just give me all of it. And she was like, I can't give you end of the bolts on all of that. And I'm like, she was like, I even blogged about it. Like, she was nasty. And it didn't make any sense. Like, why she couldn't give me, because that's, you know what I mean? It's like, I just know at Joann's, if you do the end of the bolt, you get a discount. And so I bought, like, you know, end of the bolt, so I was expecting, I know, whatever, like, if it was like 5 yards and then 3/4 of the yard, I know, like, the 5 yards you would have to pay, you know, your full price, whatever it is per yard, and then that last bit, that last yard, or, you know, whatever, they would discount. So that's what I was, you know, wanting. That's what I thought they did, and that's why I ended up buying, you know, the entire bolts, or end of the bolts. And like, she was just nasty. Why do we even have to bring her up? She was just a nasty lady. Anyway, but yeah, I'm going to work on these aprons real quick and get them done. And then tomorrow, Danny and I are going to come down here and work on some new samples. And as far as like tomorrow, I think we're just going to go to like Hobby Lobby and Joann's and just do like a, you know, girls out shopping, staying out of the sun, because I've got a bit of a sunburn there, and then on my nose. So, but it's been a great couple of days. Like, literally, it's all around been just a great since Danny got here, since Friday. Because Friday night we had the concert, Saturday we had Cora's baby shower, Sunday, what did we do on Sunday? Oh, Sunday we just had, like, we went out with Papa and Uncle Brian to eat at, we pretty much were hungover. No, we were like concert hungover, not hungover in the hungover sense, but you know what I mean. Just staying up late and stimulation, and you know. So concert hungover, and then baby shower, like a lot of people and doing stuff. But yeah, so it's been really fun. I'm so happy she's here. Like, just like having her around is just, you know, fun. Anyway, oh, and we're not going to get our van fixed until probably next week. So we had to file it with insurance. We do have full coverage on the van, which is a good thing. This is our second time. Okay, so this is just funny. It's just funny with Danny and I because it's like every time she's up here something happens, and I'm like, it's just, I don't know, it's like the first time it's like the rock came and hit the windshield and broke the windshield, like shattered it, right? The second time, this year, we should say. Yeah, because she came up in February for Sterling's birthday, and then she came up in June, and now at the end of July. So in February, a rock came and shattered the windshield. This is our old van. And then the last time we were in the drive-through at the bank, and my husband cut the corner too quick and like it scraped a line in the van. And then now this time a rock fell. We don't even know where. We don't even know if it was a rock. Whatever it was fell and hit our sunroof and shattered it. She's like, I just bring bad luck. I'm like, no. I'm like, you make life exciting. It's exciting when we're together. Like, yeah, it's just crazy. But anyway, I'm gonna try to get these done and then get in the bed by at least, we'll say 11:30, because it is 20 after 10 right now.
Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow. Bye, guys.